to rinse this treatment out after a few minutes until I make one simple change. The moment I stopped rinsing it out, my hair felt stronger, softer, and over the next few weeks, it looked fuller and healthier. So today I am going to show you exactly when to rinse it out and when to leave it in. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because I also show you the best time to use it and the best way to apply it for best results. Hi my beautiful families, welcome back to the channel. If you are struggling with hair shedding, breakage, thinning edges, slow hair growth, or dry brittle hair, this treatment may become one of your new favorite additional to your routine. This recipe combines plant ingredients that can condition the hair and the scalp while reducing dryness and improving manageability. Using consistently alongside good hair care habits, it can support healthier, longer, thicker, fuller hair over time. So now let's get started. Our first ingredient is fresh moringa leaf. Please, before we continue, I want to point out very important thing. If you are ready to use this particular recipe to thicken up your hair, reduce shedding, breakage, regrow your edges, and retain a lot of length, do not change any of these ingredients. Use exactly the ingredient we are using in today's recipe, okay, for best results. Please and please. So now let's continue. Moringa are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, amino acid, and plant compound that help nourish the scalp and protect the hair from oxidative stress. They also contain vitamins and minerals that support healthier looking hair and may help reduce breakage when used as part of a consistent hair care routine. Moringa can also help to thicken up your thinning hair when used consistent. If you are looking for cheapest affordable ingredients that will help you to thicken up your hair, guys, grab moringa. Moringa will do that job for you, okay? Moringa is very powerful, and a lot of people don't know how powerful, how effective, how potent moringa can be. Moringa is amazing, okay? So what I just do is to plug out my moringa leaf from the stem. So I just plug out one full hand of my fresh moringa leaf. Then I will keep it aside. Now let's move to the next ingredient. Our second ingredient is fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in moisture and softening plant compounds. It helps hydrate dry hair, makes hair feel softer, reduce frizz, and it can help soften a dry or itching scalp. It also gives this treatment its lightweight leave-in texture. So for the aloe vera, you can use more quantity than this. If you have more aloe vera, just feel free to use it, okay? I don't have much aloe vera available. That's why I'm using this amount of it. So if you have more, just feel free to make use of it, okay? So the next thing now is to extract out your aloe vera gel. But before you extract out the aloe vera gel, please make sure you have already soaked it in water for 30 minutes or 45 minutes or an hour. This part is very important because of those yellow poisonous that are coming out from aloe vera. They are not good for your scalp. Please always do this, okay? Like example, if you always complain that aloe vera is not for you, is always itching your scalp, the number one reason may be because you are not soaking it for some minutes or 1 hour before you start using it to allow those yellow poisonous to go out of it. So once you start doing it, you see, to stop itching your scalp. Aloe vera is so amazing for our hair, okay? But make sure I prepare it the right way so I can get that best result from it, okay? So now after soaking it, then the next thing you do now is to wash it very well, extract out the aloe vera gel, then bring your blender, transfer it inside your blender, and wash your moringa leaf, transfer them together inside your blender, add a little water to it, then blend it into a smooth paste. After blending it, then the next thing is to bring your sheath cloth and a clean bowl to collect your powerful hair growth treatment, okay? Make sure you blend this very smooth. But if you don't have blender, please use your mortar to pound it. Pound the moringa to be very smooth. Then after extracting out the aloe vera gel, use your hand to match the aloe vera gel. Then use your sheep cloth to extract it out to get the gel out. Okay, it's very simple to do. So after blending it and bringing your sheep cloth and a bowl to extract out your powerful hair growth treatment. So this is what we have so far. Do you see how greenish, how rich, how potent this treatment is? This treatment is a game changer, guys. There's no joke. If you have not been using it this way, you are missing a whole lot, because at this point you are getting all the whole nutrients from these powerful plants, and you get better results, faster growth, and the best benefits. Okay, so now let's move on to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the hair and scalp from damage. It also helps seal in moisture, improve softness, and reduce the appearance of dryness, making your hair feel healthier and easy to manage. So you can use vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule. Okay, anyone you have available, please just make use of it. Okay, they are the same. So the last but not the least of our ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps reduce protein loss from the hair shaft, making hair stronger and less prone to breakage. It also helps lock in moisture into the hair and adding shine to the hair. So now I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil. So after mixing all this together, the next thing now is to transfer it into my applicator bottle for easy application. Now here is where the game changer began. How to use this for best results. You need to pay close attention to this part, because the application method is the game changer. You can prepare this recipe the right way, but apply it the wrong way and you get zero results. So make sure you pay close attention and use it exactly the method I'll be sharing with you, if you are ready to see how effective, how powerful, and how this simple and affordable homemade treatment can transform your hair. Keep on watching. To apply this treatment, focus on your scalp first, because the scalp is all the where the problem is coming from. Okay, so focus on your scalp and any parts of your problem areas you want to solve. Focus this treatment in those areas. Massage your scalp as you spray it. Massage your scalp. Okay, then once you are sure that all the entire of your scalp are well coated, then work your way through your hair shaft. Okay, meaning your hair length. Okay, then also apply it, press it in. If your hair is on a protective hairstyle like mini braid or mini twins, press it in so that your hair shaft can soak the treatment very well. Okay, so now after doing that, the next thing you do now is then give yourself a very good scalp massage. Scalp massage is very important as the ingredient. Don't skip it. Okay, like 5 to 10 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes, massage your scalp. Then the next thing now is to cover up your hair. Yes, cover up your hair. Allow your hair to sit for overnight. Yes, do not wash it out immediately. Allow this treatment to sit on your hair for overnight. Then the next day, rinse it out. I did not say wash it out. Rinse it out with lukewarm water. Then moisturize your hair. Okay, so now this is the second method to use the treatment. You can apply the treatment and allow it to sit on your hair for several hours, maybe 8 hours, 10 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, but do not allow this treatment to sit on your hair below 3 to 4 hours for better results. I have reason of saying that this is not a treatment you will rush and rinse out. Okay, allow it to sit on your hair, okay, for a very long time. Do not rinse it out immediately after applying it. If you are ready to get all the whole benefits of this treatment, do not rush and rinse it out. Allow it to sit on your hair. Now listen carefully. Before you apply the treatment on your hair, make sure your hair is not dirty. This part is very, very important. Use the treatment on a fresh wash hair, not on a dirty hair. Okay, so after using the treatment, do not use shampoo on your hair. The treatment just meant to rinse out after several hours or overnight. Then rinse it out. I did not say use shampoo, just rinse it out, then moisturize your hair. Repeat this 3 to 4 times per a week. I repeat this 3 to 4 times per a week. In 4 weeks time, come back and testify on the channel, because your hair will look more thicker, break less, shed less, your edges will start coming out, you get more healthier scalp and healthier hair strands. Just take a picture before you start using the treatment, and in 4 weeks time using it exactly this method. Be consistent with it 3 to 4 times per a week for complete 4 weeks. Come back, guys, you will never recognize your hair. Your hair will never remain the same. There is no joke. This treatment have been one of my favorite treatments that have helped me a whole lot to achieve that thicker, fuller hair I've been craving for, and it's still helping me to grow my hair more longer, thicker, less shedding and less breakage. Do you know our problem is breakage and shedding? When your hair stop breaking and stop shedding, you will see the visible results both in thickness, in volume and the length. So this treatment got you covered. Only problem I have with you now, if you do not use it the right way. But if you can be patient and use it exactly the direction I gave to you, in 4 weeks time, guys, you will run and come back and tell me thank you. I can't wait to hear from you guys, because this treatment is tested and trusted. There's no cap, there's no joke. Okay, so guys, I would love to hear from you. Which ingredient surprised you the most? Is it the moringa, aloe vera, vitamin E, or the coconut oil? Have you ever tried leaving in your treatment for several hours or overnight instead of rinsing it out immediately? Let me know in comment section below. Okay, so guys, do wait to share your experience in comment section below. Okay, I can't wait to hear from you. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss our new natural hair growth recipes. Okay, I have a lot of them coming on your way. Very interesting, very, very effective. Okay, so guys, also do wait to share this video to your family and friends for those that struggle with length retention, breakage, shedding, hair growth and so many of them. This video will help them a whole lot. Okay, so guys, we have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Thank you all for watching up to this point. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed and stay safe. Please be consistent, because consistency is the key. Okay, I love you all. Bye.